Hey guys, we're back. So this time we're going to do the bird feeder, okay? So you want to get some kind of cone, any kind of cone, or if you have something similar to that. So we happen to have waffle bowls. We keep finding all interesting things in our cabinets that we never knew were there before. So waffle cones, you know, regular shape cone is probably better. If you want to even make a hole in the, if you have the triangle one, you can make a hole in it to hang it in the tree for the birds. But we even just put it on the plate in the front yard, and you know, they eat it up pretty quick, the squirrels and birds. So if you want to get fancy and do a hole, you know, you could do that too. But all we're going to do is just the cone.
You'll need some peanut butter too, whatever kind. And then you'll need some Cheerios.
Okay, so get some Cheerios, and then we just have a knife, and you know, your
peanut butter.
Yeah, you're probably gonna want your peanut butter not all yucky. So you know, just maybe put on the plate before you start using it. If you have bird seed, you could do bird seed too. Anything that the birds like to eat is pretty cool. So we'll put a glob. Let's put a glob on the plate. Do you want me to help you? So if you want to scoop it out, all right, so just get your peanut butter scooped out. Okay, and all you're going to do is just spread it on your cone, whatever kind of cone you have. So because your peanut butter is kind of like your glue for your bird seed or your Cheerios, whatever you are using, okay? So you can just do that. If you want to use fingers, right? You're outside, you can be messy if you want. And just want to put it around wherever you want to put your Cheerios or bird seed. Our squirrels like to come up to our door, and when we don't have bird food out in the bird feeder, they come ask us for food. They come up to our door looking for food. Ah. Snack time. Alright, so we're just cover it wherever you want to put all your Cheerios and bird seeds. Okay? Bring any napkins. You might want napkins too. Alright, so then whenever you're ready, you're going to grab some Cheerios. You take your time, you're fine. I just kind of did it like icing. Okay. And so once you do that, you're going to grab your Cheerios and just place them on wherever you want to put them. Bird seed, whatever you have. Okay?
I'm just going to sprinkle them on.
Yeah, however you want to do it. And once you do that, it's ready to go. And we'll probably just place it on the plate, like I said, on the grass. But whatever you guys want to do it, you can do that. We've been having apples and peanut butter. So yummy, such a good snack. So this is one of our POPs, personal inside practices for our little guys. Taking your Cheerios, right, using those fine motor skills to grip it, right, pincer grip. Okay, try that.
And
all
this
right.
is mine.
Okay, I'm out. Well, this looks like a cave with a little door there, right? All right, you guys, so that was everything I want to show you today, and we're going to put up a story time tonight at 7, and then we'll put up the pirate at home class too, tomorrow or Thursday in the next few days, okay? All right, so enjoy the nice weather, you guys. It's beautiful out. We miss you. Have a good day.